In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download CamScanner app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official CamScanner installed from a safe source and be ready to scan documents with your phone in just a few minutes. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android devices and the safest place to get CamScanner. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for the multicolored play icon. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download goes smoothly. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type CamScanner, Scanner, PDF Maker. Type it exactly like that to narrow your results. You'll see several apps appear, but you want the one that clearly lists the developer as IntSig Ltd. That's the official publisher. Take a second to double-check the developer name on the app page and ignore any lookalike apps with similar names or logos. Fake copies do exist, and sticking to the official listing protects your device and your data. When you're on the correct app page, tap Install. The Play Store will download and install the app automatically. If the progress seems slow, that's normal on a busy network. You can also glance at your available storage to make sure there's room, since large apps and saved scans can add up over time. Avoid installing from any website offering MOD or cracked versions. Those can contain malware, violate terms of use, and may put your personal documents at risk. Once installation finishes, tap Open. The first time you launch CamScanner, it will ask for permissions. Allow the camera permission so the app can capture your documents, and allow storage so it can save and manage your scanned files. These permissions are essential for scanning. You can review or adjust them later in your phone's settings if needed. You're now ready to start scanning documents. Place your paper on a flat, well-lit surface, hold your phone steady, and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will detect edges, enhance clarity, and let you save or share as a PDF. For best results, avoid harsh shadows and busy backgrounds so the text stays crisp. To recap, get CamScanner only from the Google Play Store, confirm the developer is IntSig Ltd, and steer clear of unofficial or modified versions. With that, you're set to scan, save, and share documents safely and easily on your Android device.